Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're here with Mark making an espresso with this beautiful La Marzocco espresso machine that he rebuilt and had it painted and just did a ton of work to it to restore it and make it look amazing. He had these new what are these, zebra wood? Zebra wood pieces made for it. So let's go ahead and see the shot. Looks like a great shot. Of course, the coffee geeks will have some critiques to offer, but overall, this machine makes amazing shots of coffee.
Should use a clear glass so you can see the layers.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you get at least 4 layers with this machine, which is pretty amazing. There we go. A beautiful shot from this.
A milk thistle.
From this La Marzocco espresso machine, and a little Rorschach test here for you coffee lovers. All right. Thanks for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.